Welcome to HQR. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to confirm and save new permissions. Starting from the vendor management page, let's edit the permissions for the sample vendor by clicking Edit Access. Next, let's add ECQM for interoperability. Click the Add button. A new window will let you add new permissions to this measure set. Click the Add button. On this page, you can now add Upload Edit permissions for interoperability. First, select Upload Edit at the top of the page. Then choose your discharge quarters and submission date, then click Confirm. Now you can apply these changes and then review them. Click Apply and Close. The last step before you save the changes is to review them. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Review. Review your changes, and once satisfied, scroll to the bottom and click Save and Close. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.